In exactly 5 minutes from now, you have a very important meeting and you have been waiting for this meeting for a very long time. And you go blank and your heart starts beating fast. What do you do now? I am Dr. Rachna Avatramani and welcome to Tattva Mindspace. Well, as a psychologist, I have come across many working professionals who go through a lot of expectations, stress, anxiety to achieve their goals in life. In this episode, I will teach you 3 simple steps which will help you to cope with this anxiety and stress, and that will in turn help you to balance personal and professional life beautifully. Let us understand what is anxiety. When you have excessive worry, fear और जब ये घबराहट संभाली नहीं जाती तब एंग्जाइटी डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाती है. बार बार एक ही चीज़ के बारे में सोचना, अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ को पूरा नहीं कर पाना, that is when you need help. And in these 3 steps, I will teach you how to cope with anxiety. However, before that, let me tell you why we don't pay attention on anxiety. जब आपको हाथ में चोट लग जाती है, you know how to put a बैंडेड एंड क्लीन इट एंड टेक केयर ऑफ इट, क्योंकि हमें वो चोट दिखती है. पर एंग्जाइटी वाली चोट दिखती नहीं है. इट इज़ इमोशनल, इट इज़ इंटरनल. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट to address it and find out that something wrong is happening with you. So in 3 steps of A, B and C, let's see how I can help you today. So what is this ABC? ये हमारी स्कूल वाली ABC नहीं है, A for apple, B for ball वाली. ये एंग्जाइटी वाली ABC है, जहाँ पर A stands for awareness. What is awareness? जब हमें पता चलता है कि हमारे साथ हो क्या रहा है, किस बॉडी पार्ट में सेंसेशंस ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी इमोशनली समझना हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है. इसके लिए काफ़ी लोग मेडिटेशन टेक्निक यूज़ करते हैं अपनी अवेयरनेस बढ़ाने के लिए. B stands for boundaries. B for ball नहीं, B for boundaries. This is very important. For example, last year जब लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हुआ था तब काफ़ी लोगों की ये बाउंड्रीज दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी किसी को, क्योंकि हम घर पे काम कर रहे थे. यू वर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. स्पेशली मेरे साथ जो हुआ, आई वॉज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, और कभी भी मेरी मम्मी आवाज़ दे देती थी ये बोलने के लिए कि किचन में आ जाओ हेल्प करने के लिए. ये समझना मुश्किल था उसके लिए कि आई एम वर्किंग. So creating those boundaries is very important. How do you create these boundaries? The main ingredient for creating a boundary is communication. Tell them that this is your time of working. This is your structure of daily lifestyle. इस तरह आप boundary बना सकते हो. And C stands for collaboration. काफ़ी बार कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं कि हम किसी के साथ काम करके अचीव कर सकते हैं, ना कि अकेले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे ट्रैकिंग पे जाना है तो आई ज्वाइन अ ट्रैकिंग ग्रुप सो दैट वी कैन अचीव द गोल ऑफ रीचिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन टुगेदर. If I want to lose weight, I will collaborate with somebody who wants to lose weight. In a similar way, if you are feeling anxious and you collaborate with somebody who has similar feelings, will make you feel much more better. So in recent pandemic, I had a client who approached me telling me that his client is losing faith in him. He was a financial planner and his client kept complaining about the losses that he was going through and going through the financial stress, and he put the entire burden on the financial planner. So my client approached me saying that it's taking a mental toll on me and the anxiety is not letting me sleep. So how did this ABC actually help him? So the first step of awareness, where I guided him telling him that practice awareness and see what is happening with you. Because काफ़ी बार awareness से anxiety calm down हो जाती है, especially when you start focusing on your breathing. Second thing, creating boundaries. Because when he said that I'm getting sleepless nights, the client was also calling him at odd hours. So creating a boundary of ये हमारा टाइम है काम करने का और इसी वक्त हम बात करेंगे, so that you're not taking an additional burden of somebody else on you, because it is very important to believe that you are doing the best for your own client. And the last and the final step of collaboration. This is where you speak to the client, listen to your client, and collaborate with the person as a team to help him achieve his goals. So today we learned in 3 simple steps how we can take care of our anxiety and live an effortless life. So in ABC steps, use the techniques of awareness, creating a boundary, and collaborating with somebody, and tell me how did you feel. And if you have any questions, do leave a comment below or write to me at team@tattvaworld.com. In the next episode, I will talk about what is positive psychology and help you create a unique toolkit so that you can have an emotionally better life. Thank you for watching Tattva Mind Space with me, Dr. Rachna Avatramani, and remember, Tattvamasi.